Making powerful features simple is our expertise. So we've made the transaction import feature very easy to use. In this video, we'll show step by step how to use the transaction import correctly. For example, you can see we've set a unique ID for this product. Using the unique ID, we can import both inward and outward transactions. So let's go ahead and import transactions now. Since there are no transactions today, open the Action menu, click Import Transactions, and you'll be redirected to the Import Transactions page to upload your file. Here you'll see exactly how the import format must look, so you can prepare your data in the same template and avoid any errors during import. This process is very easy and will save you time in day-to-day work. Download the sample file from this page, follow the format, and your transactions will import smoothly. As soon as you download it, an Excel file will appear on your device. Open it and enter all your transaction data using the same template. The template includes columns like type, product unique code, product name, quantity, at price, batch name, party name, batch price, plus manufacturing and expiry date. Fill these correctly so the import runs smoothly. In the type column, put in or out so the system knows whether the transaction is inward or outward, and be sure to fill either the product's unique code or the exact product name so the system can identify which product the transaction belongs to. If you don't have the unique code, just enter the product name correctly. Accurate spelling helps the importer match the product without errors. If you want zero risk, always enter the correct unique code for each product so the system matches items perfectly. The system is smart. It does a dry run before importing, checks your file for errors, and shows all problems so you can fix them. During import, the system will show exactly which row has an error, so you can find and fix it quickly. Other columns matter too. Enter the quantity and the batch name to choose which batch the transaction goes into. If the batch doesn't exist, the system will create it automatically, and if you leave it blank, the stock goes into a system-generated default batch. The system validates party details too. And if a new batch is created during import, its price, manufacturing date, and expiry date are automatically attached to that batch. Accurate data is essential, so we thoroughly tested the import feature to make sure it works reliably and saves you time. Now save and close the file and import it. Our system runs a pre-check that tells you how many rows are valid, how many will be created, and how many contain errors. We built this verification carefully so your data stays valid. Fix the reported errors and then run the import with confidence. The system will also show detailed errors and any warnings so you can spot and fix problems before importing. Now click the Confirm Start Import button. The system will double verify every row and then safely import all transactions. Where necessary, the importer will create new batches, update stock levels, and handle every detail automatically for you. If you leave the batch name blank, the transaction goes into the default batch. If the batch exists, the transaction is added there, and the system will auto-create any new batches or parties and attach their details so your stock stays accurate. These transactions will auto-update your stock, so your inventory stays accurate in real time without extra work. Next, we'll show outward transactions. It's just as simple as inward. Put out in the type column of the Excel, and the system will import the outward entries automatically. The system checks current stock when importing outward entries and never lets stock go negative. Every transaction is verified before import, so your inventory stays accurate and safe. Here it detected some blank rows and marked them as errors. follow the correct format, and the import will run smoothly every time. Now click Confirm Import to finish the process. The transactions will be added, and your stock counts will update immediately and correctly. If you liked this feature, please like the video so we can keep bringing more powerful, time-saving tools in future videos. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We didn't just build software. We kept our promise to make your business easier by designing every feature as if it were for our own company. Because when it comes to your work, we don't just provide a service. We take responsibility.